Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking a comforting, quick and aromatic stir-fried rice vermicelli. It is usually named hometown stir-fried rice vermicelli on most of the menus, even though it is not really my hometown's specialty. I like this dish very much because it is delicious, quick to cook, and can offer a balanced meal. Okay, let's get started now. 200 gram rice vermicelli, pour in about 50 degrees Celsius hot water. Make sure the hot water covers the whole rice vermicelli and let it soak there for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later, drain the hot water and cool down the rice vermicelli under the tap water. And then put 1 tablespoon oil in. Mix it well with the rice vermicelli and set aside. 70 gram pork mince. Marinate it with 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, a little bit cooking wine, some white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon light soy sauce. Mix all the seasonings well with the pork mince and set aside. 3 to 4 slices of carrots and cut it to long strips. 2 shiitake mushrooms, cut it to thin slices. I used fresh shiitake mushrooms. You can also use dried shiitake mushrooms. 2 handfuls of cabbage. I don't like the hard stem in the middle, therefore I remove it first. And then cut it to long strips. Four pieces prawn without shell. Make a cut as deep as possible at the back of the prawn, but not to cut through. Marinate the prawns with 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, some white pepper powder, a little bit cooking wine. Mix the seasonings well with the prawns and set aside. 2 whisked eggs. Now we start cooking. Heat up 1 tablespoon oil. Pan fry both sides shiitake mushroom until it is softened and the fragrance is slightly released. And then push to the side. Put half tablespoon oil to the pan, heat up the oil, and then put the cabbage in. Put 1/4 teaspoon salt in. Saute the cabbage for about 1 minute. And then mix with the shiitake mushrooms. Give everything a few toasts. And then put the carrots in. Give everything a few good toasts and then transfer to a plate. Put the pan back to the stove. Put another half a tablespoon oil in. Heat up the oil. Put the pork mince in. Pan fry or saute the pork mince until it is fully cooked. If the pork mince stick together, break it to small pieces. Push to the side when the pork mince is cooked. Put the prawns in. Pan fry until the prawns are fully cooked. At the same time, put another half tablespoon oil in and then put the eggs in. You can cook the eggs separately. If you reckon you cannot manage to cook everything together, break the eggs to small pieces. Egg is done faster than the prawns. Therefore, push the eggs to the side and then cook the prawns properly. Once the prawn is cooked, mix everything together and give it a few good toasts, and then transfer to a plate. Put the pan back to the stove. Put the rice vermicelli in. Also, put a little bit salt in. Stir fry the rice vermicelli until it is all heated up. And then put all the ingredients in. Mix all the ingredients well with the rice vermicelli and give everything a few good toasts. Finally, put 2 teaspoons light soy sauce and 1 teaspoon sesame oil in. Give everything a few more good stirs to mix the soy sauce and sesame oil well with the rice vermicelli. Now this stir-fried rice vermicelli is done. This is a light and airy dish, making it perfect for people at all ages. The rice vermicelli is perfectly tangled with eggs, pork, mushrooms, and vegetables. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!